Today I will be drawing a Christmas themed digital painting, I guess is what you call it. And I really didn't want to do the usual environments that I usually do, so I ended up doing this. Okay, so after sketching it up, this is what I got. I know it kind of looks weird, but it's going to look fine when I put the color to it. Alright, so yeah. Line layer because I don't want to rely on the lines too much, so right now I'm just coloring in the cool tones, and I'm gonna add the warm ones after I finish. Those to like her face and her nose, not some blush to make it more realistic. Now I have all the shadows, I just need to add the highlights. There was something up with the hand, so I had to fix that. And before I do the reel, just click the like button because this took a while. And I'm gonna be posting more videos. And if you want to see all of my art, just follow me on Instagram, which is gonna be in the link below. All right. So I create the. I know it looks very ugly, but when you add everything, I added the character to the background, and here's when I thought I finished it. Then I added some finishing touches to the eyes, and here I add some snowflakes. I add some more detail to his face, to his eyes, and yeah, please like and subscribe.